Hi, today we're going to be talking about how to get your videos out of Microsoft Stream or ReggieNet and into Canvas. Where we're starting is on the ISU's Microsoft 365. You can be in any one of these programs and be able to see this 9-dot grid. Click on that, go to Stream. If you don't see Stream here, you can click on Explore All Apps. And once you're in your Stream, go to My Content. Videos is where I'm going to go, or you could go to Groups if you only wanted to pull videos from a specific course. I'm going to click on Videos, and I'm going to find a video that I want to move over to Canvas. So I'm going to scroll down, find something, and for any video in this list, if you click on the three dots, your last option here will be to download video. This will typically download the video into your browser's download folder. So I'm going to take it out of that, and I'm going to move this video that I just downloaded onto a folder that I made on my desktop, just called Videos to Transfer Over, which I'll go ahead and open. So one of the things you're going to want to do is, if you're moving a lot of videos out of Stream or ReggieNet and into Canvas, you really do want to organize them. So I have a few folders here, one for like an English 101 course, one for an English 145 course. Let's say that this video is going to be an English 101 folder. You're going to make your life a lot easier if you rename all your videos so that they're a little bit easier to find once you're trying to link them in Canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this and rename it to something a little bit better than butterfly. So I'm going to say this is an English 101 video. So I'm going to name it ENG underscore 101 underscore butterfly. And then I'm going to transfer that to my English 101 folder. For ReggieNet, this is pretty similar. Once you log into ReggieNet, go to the course where the video is being stored currently. Go to your resources, find the video that you want to copy. I'll take this one. And you'll notice that none of your actions are to download. In ReggieNet, in order to download a video, you want to right-click on the video itself, on the name of it, say Save Link As, and then I'm actually just going to put this directly into that folder on my desktop, my video transfer folder. Save. That will download it. Then double-clicking on that, there's the story of me. This is an English 145 video. So I'm just going to rename it to be ENG 145. I'll just leave that as the story of me, and then drag it into the appropriate folder. To get your downloaded videos into Canvas, I'm going to log into Canvas, and then in the left-hand black bar navigation, I'm going to click on the Studio button, and I'm going to upload my videos in one of two ways. The first way, once I'm logged into the Canvas library, I'm going to go into the folder where I stored my videos, and I'll start with my English 101. Find that video or collection of videos. I can do this with several videos or one video at a time. Click and hold on the video, drag it outside, and drop it into the Canvas Studio. This will be a two-step uploading process. It will upload it and then it will process it. And once it's done, it's in my library and ready to go into a Canvas page. The other way I could do it would be to add a video to a collection. In the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to click on the plus collection button. I'm going to name it English 145. And for this, I'm going to click this Add Videos button, which will bring me to this. This is the same dialog box that would be there if I clicked on this Add button in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Browse Files. Find my English 145 folder. Select the video, or by holding down the Control or Shift keys, I could select many videos within this navigation box. And then after having selected the video, I'll click Open. So collections are purely organizational. They really don't serve any other function than to make it a little easier to find videos in your library. But otherwise, that's pretty much all this does. Also, as a quick side note, collections cannot contain collections. So collections are a one-level organizational tool. Now that we've added our videos to the Studio library, I'm going to add it to a Canvas course. This can be done most easily any place where there's the rich text editor in Canvas. In this case, I'm making a new page. I've given it a title. I put a little text into my content area. And where I want the video to go, I'm going to move my cursor there and press the Canvas Studio button. The only ways that you can find your videos in Canvas Studio is either by date added or by the name. This is why the good naming convention is often very important when it comes to finding your videos in the rich text editor, because this is how it displays as one long column of videos and collections in your library. I'm going to upload my English 101 butterfly in this location, so I'm just going to find it in this list, hover my mouse over the video, and click the select button. I have a few options. I'm going to leave it on the defaults here and click embed. And that will insert that video into this page. And clicking save shows me how this will look to students. If you need a direct link or the embed code for your video, I'm going to go back to my library and find that butterfly video. I'm going to click on the 3 dots associated with that video and click Share Media. What I need is the second link here, which the first time you do this, you have to create a public link. This top link is a direct link that can be shared with anybody. So anybody at ISU or outside of ISU with this link would be able to go to and view that video. And the embed code is below that. Adding captions to your videos in Studio is not an automatic process the same way it was in Stream. Instead, what we need to do is to find the video that needs captions, click on View, and you'll see here underneath the video that I have details, comments, insights, and captions. The first two are the only ones that are visible to students. I'm going to click on the Captions tab and Request Captions. Choose the correct language and click Request, which will immediately start processing the video. Once the video is done processing, you will get an email that lets you know when it's done. You are not, however, finished. You have to wait for this processing to complete, and then we're going to need to publish this. So once the captions are completed, I'll see that there's a not published notification here on my video. I'll click on the 3 dots, say Review and Publish. I can look at my transcript to see if it needs any editing, which I can do easily just by clicking on the part that needs to be edited and changing it. But otherwise, all I need to do is to go into the upper right-hand corner and click Publish. And I now have a captions button on my player, and that's all I need to do.